All right, welcome guys. Um, I hope you guys can hear me. My audio is fine. My visuals. I hope they are all good. So today we're going to be looking at um some pairs. We analyzed them last week, yesterday, and we're expecting price to pull back into a certain level. But right now, as you can see, we are looking at USD JPY. We wanted USD JPY to get to this level yesterday. We wanted USD JPY to tap into this level, this supply zone for us to look for our sell that yesterday. No, we were expecting this low, this high to be taken. That was our analysis. We were expecting this high to be taken, this high for us to look for our sell or probably tap into this particular zone. And this morning, yesterday during the news, the market took out these highs, and uh, today it tapped into these particular levels. So, and after that, I went into um, the 1 hour to look at what price is doing. I found, look at this particular area. I see what price is doing at this particular level. So I decided to look out going into this particular trade this morning. I shared it on the platform. My stop loss is always very tight. I'm very stingy when it comes to stop loss, but you can decide to extend your stop loss all the way high up here. Is fine. These are all very good area to look for your stop loss. I mean to put in your stop loss. So we are taking this trade downward. So we are actually selling USD JPY. So if you are not on the trade, you can jump in on USD JPY right now. So we are selling USD JPY. So let me tap on the chat comment section. Sell now. Okay, sell USD JPY. So we're selling USD JPY. So you can go ahead and sell. And I also leave the I also leave the chart on for you to see the levels to look for your take profit and your stop loss, right? You can look at that. So whichever one that you are comfortable with, let me take out this. Whichever one you're comfortable with, you can jump in as well and take your trade. So we're looking for a sell down. And also, don't forget, if you don't know how to manage your trade, when you're in profit and you're okay with what you're seeing, you can always take it out. They're all yours. Okay. For the meantime, let me try to connect my webcam. Let me connect my webcam. Oh, okay. Trying to connect my webcam. Okay. All right, so my cam webcam is connected. So let's go look for other setup, right? Okay, so let's look at the other currency page. Euro USD. So yesterday, based on our analysis, we were expecting Euro USD to tap into this zone. But due to that news yesterday, the news came in and wiped and broke the zone. Still came lower here and closed. So for me, I will still expect the market to tap into that zone for the second time because this long week actually showed rejection. It actually showed rejection, right? It shows that the buy was fake. This buy was a fake buy. So we still want price to tap into this zone for us to look for that sell, or probably we'll have it at this zone. We'll be jumping in for a buy as well. So this one, if you that's why it's always good for you to do confirmation. Get your confirmation right before you jump into trade setup. It's always very good, and I do that a lot, right? So it's very good for you to always do your confirmation. So you can see that that particular trade, it took you out if you are the type that embraces aggressive entry. So you are out of the trade. Now, coming to GBPUSD, I think similar thing happened in GBPUSD as well. GBPUSD, that's exactly what happened. But right now, high, this particular high, it tap into this low, taking out this low. Remember, we'll talk about this old lows, price taking out this old low. Talk about price taking out this low. So that is the price actually tap into this low and break it a little. So, but I will hold my peace. I'm very I feel better jumping on this trade down here on this particular zone than here. So, looking at what price did here yesterday, so I will expect price to still come down to this low before I look for my entries on that. Then Euro AUD, yes, Euro AUD actually tap into our zone. So it tapped into our zone, and what we can be looking for right now is an entry confirmation entry. So no confirmation yet. So um, no signals to confirm that this market will continue to go down yet. So let's see what it does on that zone. Remember, that is the zone to sell. Okay, so that's the zone we're expecting to sell from. Then, okay, so that's the zone we're expecting to sell from. So here, then gold. Let's see what gold did. Almost the same thing is playing out on all the pair we analyzed yesterday, on all of them. So, but good news is that gold has given us some liquidity that price may likely attract price into it. So this double bottom here, this double bottom here is another area, another comfort or another thing that give us a solid confirmation that gold is coming down here. So how do we do? Since it has already tapped into here, remember when it broke this level yesterday, it came back and tapped on it, and that's why you see that sell. But because I have volatile price where yesterday, so I didn't bother taking that trade. So right now we should expect gold to pull back into this level here, and we will sell. So we're expecting to sell gold from here down to this level, sell to this point here. So we're expecting a sell from gold from that zone. AUD USD. AUD USD actually did a very nice job. He did a very nice job. So it went up though, he didn't tap into our zone, but it then fall. It fell. It fell massively yesterday. But I don't just know why it didn't tap into that zone. If it had tapped into that zone, that would have been a very good entry for us as well. But having done that, let's look for another area that price may likely want to pull back to, and that is this particular area here. So we should expect a reversal. And before then, let's see where price is going. Where is price heading to? Okay. So we have some good areas that price may want to pull back to. We have this demand zone, and we have this fair value gap zone. So this fair value gap zone is that's the next area that price may want to tap into. So we may be looking for a buy. When we look for a buy scenario at this particular level, you can see that price is pulling back down here. So we'll try to look for that that buy from here or here. Otherwise, if you pull back, we expect a pullback into this zone before it start going down here. So these are the things we're looking for. We're looking for a buy at these two zones and a sell at this zone as well on USD, I mean AUD USD. Euro card. The same thing that happened to others also happened to Euro card to still allow the market to cook well. Here we're expecting, of course, it didn't tap into our zone. We're still expecting Euro GBP at this area. Then USD CHL. What happened to others happened to it as well. So this one is gone. This one is gone. It's not clean. Then USD card actually tap into our zone and zoom up. And you didn't see that as well. So it tapped into our zone and left off. So profit, but we are not on the trade. Then Euro JPY did not get to our zone area we're looking for. So still we leave this one as well. GBP JPY, GBP JPY. Sorry, GBP JPY. GBP JPY came in and tapped into this big zone and zoom off. Let's see if we can catch something from GBP JPY. Can we catch anything there? I think so. I think so. Okay, so if GBJPY come back to this particular zone here, I think there'll be we can look for a buy from here. We can look for a buy from that zone. If GBP tap into this place and give us signal for buy, we can jump in for a buy. Then GBP AUD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD is still on its way to the promised land. And there's also an area that is calling for attention here. So this nice area would also be a buy zone. So we can look to buy if the market decide to pull back before going to that zone. We can decide to buy from here on GBP AUD. Then GBP card. GBP card. Remember yesterday I was telling you that GBP card I'm looking for is on a demand zone. I'm looking for a very nice setup for us to jump in. Right now you can see that happening right away. So you see on this actually broken this structure. Forget ignoring this week. It has actually broken this particular structure. That's a change of character for us. So on we're going to find in our entry from here. We're going to look for our entry from that level. So when the market pull back here, we should be jumping. So let me see if I can. Let me put it here. Okay, so we're expecting a buy from here. GBP card. GBP card is looking very nice for that buy to happen. So I think I'll bring this up here. GBP card. I'll bring it here. Then NZD/USD, not yet. BTC, yes, BTC. We analyzed BTC yesterday, and we expect a sell from this zone. See, the market actually sold. It depends on your what the time frame you're looking at. It actually sold, and right now it has also pulled back into some kind of fair value gap here, and it's already moving up. But overall, it's bearish, right? BTC is bearish. Maybe he wants to retest that zone for the last time before it start pulling, going our direction. Then AUD card. AUD card is on the zone, so just looking for just a break. We break this particular high, then we should be expecting a pullback into a certain zone, this fair value gap here, and we'll look for a buy. GBPCHF. GBPCHF is touching that zone for another last time. So we can look forward to look for our change of character and look for our entries on that. So far so good. We are looking at GBP card is good. GBPCHF, we're also looking at it. And which other pairs we're looking at? Okay, gold. We're looking at gold. We're looking at gold. We're looking at gold, GBPCHF. Then which again? Which one? Okay, Euro GBP. No, not yet. This has moved on. GBP JPY. GBP. Okay, GBP AUD is another one we're looking at. Then these are the pairs we are looking. This we're looking at this few pairs, right? That's the pairs we are looking out for. So, any question? Do you have any question? Question time. No question. Okay, so since there's no question, so see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.